This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Zoe Farrell. Welcome to your peaceful retreat in Rockwood, Tennessee. This charming single-family home boasts a spacious open floor plan, with a den and fireplace perfect for cozy gatherings and entertaining loved ones. This home features a large primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom with luxurious double vanity and an oversized bathtub. Situated on a sprawling 1-acre lot, there's plenty of room for outdoor enjoyment. Step outside onto the new large deck, ideal for enjoying picturesque sunsets and hosting BBQs. Embrace the tranquility of Rockwood in this inviting home sweet home. Seller offering $2,000 credit for cosmetic updates with acceptable offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Zoe Farrell at 865-584-4000.